Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to name and rename columns in Google Sheets. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Google Sheets project, and then you just have to hover over to the top where you will be able to see the data option. But before that, you just have to select that particular column in which you want to apply this rename feature. So after selecting the columns, you just have to click on data in the top, and here you will be able to see the option of named ranges. So you just have to select on it and it will give you the equation that you can use. So over here you just have to click on add a range option, and then you just have to give your range a name. So here, in order to give the name of the range, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the name of this particular column. Then in order to select the range, you just have to cross it from here, and then you just have to select the whole column. After selecting the whole column, the range will be selected in this section. Then you need to press the done button, and then it will show you that the name range is selected. So after selecting the name range and after clicking on the done button, whenever you want to use this name, then you just have to type the function, and then you just have to type the formula. Afterwards, instead of using the whole column, you will be able to use only the name that you have mentioned for that particular column, and you will be able to apply the formulas on that particular column without selecting the ranges. So this is how you can easily name and rename in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.